eye hole chamfer foil. Blend it nicely, and you only need to cure for 30 seconds under proper LED lamp. And then if you cure 60 seconds, it's totally great. It's not gonna hurt at all. So okay, cure for 30 seconds on this one. I have a little fur right here, but I'm not worried about it because I'm gonna put the foil on. Spamolic, thank you so much. You buy it too. I'm in the like a neon's moods because neon is such a bright color. It's keep me really nice and calm. I can see and I can like do a lot of things and more productive with neon color. Hi Tony. Hello, how are you? Thanks so much for inquiries for that. Can you send all the information for regarding to the class in Ann Arbor, please? Hi Neil, by Zoe. Done for this. And for this is stunning. You can design, you can get different angles, whatever you prefer. You don't have to be necessarily like completely in the same. Sometimes I move it like a different way. It just depends on how I like my, I think I like it look like that. So I'm gonna like it right here. It's really nice. You can chamfer completely whole and tie the nails, or you can chamfer just half of the nails. Just make sure I get all press firmly, everyone's, and on the sides, and it's gonna completely chamfer. I have one of my awesome staff, also my sweet student here, Lily, with me. Lily, oh, well, how do I get it completely off already? And then I'll just have, if you see that, because I did have it here, right in the cuticles, you're not worried about. I'm gonna put some crystal in there because that's a cuticle area, but I really like this. Okay, look at how good it chamfer completely. So I am going to apply condensed glue gels, and I'll untie the nails. And if you're first time using our condensed glue gel, do not like hesitate to like blend them out nicely because it's condensed a thick density. So this will help so much when you put the no wipe top coat on, so it doesn't look flooding completely your crystals. So do not hesitate to just blend it out nicely. And no wipe top coat. This is a 3-step method to help keep the crystals stay nice in nice place. This will help, this and condensed glue gel will help grab all the crystals in one place. So I'm gonna apply this floating techniques on the top of condensed glue gel. And then I'm gonna using my Easter mix bag. Also, maybe I use AB and yellow because that's 2 colors I see in front of me, and green. Like I'm sharing like this to just let you know that do not afraid to you know, unleash your potential and be creative. Just a few of them here. That's 2 bright color. I like that a lot. Because I don't want to cover the totality of my flowers. So hope everyone have a great Monday. This is kind of a minute for us to like chill a little bit and out of a lot of things going on. like it. Just little one. Does anyone want to see something else today? Do let me know those. So I'm going to do next with the neon crystal. And then unless you want to see something else. Hold on, I like it like that. Look good. I usually want it closer. It depends on the shape of the client's nails. I usually do a smaller crystal on the end of on the edges, so then that way it would not catching on the side. I think I'm good. I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds, but also I'm gonna put some just smaller crystal on. Got a lot to share with everyone today, and we'll announce the winner for the name. So because we have so high inquiries, thank you so much everyone for tuning in. It's so much fun to get all of you to participate. Also, we don't post write a post who's gonna do mini winning mini, but we're gonna announce it on a live video. Okay, I think I'm good. I don't want to put it on here to mess it up. Looks stunning. Here for 60 seconds. Hey, Pretty Nuna, how are you? 1510. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Fancy Fingers. Hi, Fabiloira. Did I say it right? Fav. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. How everyone doing today? Today's Monday. Hope the winners is. We don't have the yet. We want to announce it on the end of the live video, so stay tuned. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Good evening. Let me see. Anyone have a questions for me at all? Okay, I just want to make sure Hey, how are you, everyone? Make sure stay positive, stay calm, and make sure you take good care of yourself and your family, okay? We love you all. That's why we're here for you. Okay, so great. So now I am going to double secure. Usually, normally you feel like completely done, but I am gonna using my precision glue to really freaking double secure. It's like a lot of clients before they really want to get a crystal done, but then because of it's keep catching on their hair and their clothes or sweaters, especially some of really nice sweater or scarf, they afraid it's gonna get into that, so they didn't want to bother getting a crystal. But now there's not a big deal anymore because you can double secure all that crystal with your precision glue. So I'm going to using my twin tip brush, which is I just used it earlier to apply my condensed glue gel, blend it nicely, and then that's it. So then when you cure, after you're done curing, it doesn't look lumpy, bumpy. It looks flawless. So I am going to cure for 60 more seconds, and this now going to be completely done. Let's go into the mood fusioning. Would you like to see fusioning? I love fusioning. It just seems like it's difficult, really hard to do, but also it's really, thank you, Mary Cave Creation. It's simple, but it looks simple, but it's not that like really difficult to doing it though. So it's stunning. Oh, look at that. What do we have? It looks like this. Look at what I'm gonna do. I have this nail for fusioning though. Or gel painting. Or we can do a gel painting and look at that. We can do crystal placement on that. And then fusioning, I'm gonna do passionate and this is the final look for these nails.